Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource here, checking in with another one of our project parts cars from my buddy's Field Find Collections, Broken Dreams collection. So today I'm going to be looking at a 71 Olds Cutlass 442, what's left of it. This old girl is pretty sad looking. You can see it was original, I think they called these carousel red. I don't remember for sure. Let me see if I can get over here to the body tag without falling. Hang on. Just a second. I'm going to do a little climb in here. Okay. So I'm not going to be doing much more damage than already is to this car. So, looking here at our body tag, you can see 72, I'm sorry. 33687. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is a 442. I know for sure, so I remember when it came in. Oodles and gobs of corrosion for you everywhere. She is not in the best of condition. Let me see if I can get down without killing myself now. And in fact, what I just noticed was she still got her plastic in her fender wells, which is kind of cool. And yeah, they're a little rough, but they're intact, man. They're there. This is a power steering, power brake car. Of course, that stuff's missing. Firewall's there. This one got hammered in that corner. My buddy picked this one up. Excuse me. At the salvage auction, if I remember correctly, to use as parts for maybe his 71 Cutlass that I've featured a few videos back. You can see that link up at the top of there. But you can see floorboards are gone. Frame is there. I don't know if the frame is good underneath. With the hit that it took there, I'm not sure if the frame got damaged. You can kind of see there rear bumpers inside of it, miscellaneous trim pieces. So essentially a very rough shell of a 72 442 left here that is available for sale as part of our collection that I'm helping my buddy get rid of. That driver's side door is still on the car. And it was a column shift car. Dash skeleton's still there. Miscellaneous odds and ends. So, not much. Free can of Rust-Oleum comes with it. So, just let me know if you got any questions about the car. You can call me back at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian with VetteSource. This one here, I'd probably lean more towards the side of you could use this as a parts car than put back together, but that's, of course, everybody's personal preference. So just give me a call if you got any questions, and I'll get right back to you. You can leave a comment in the comment sections below, and we will catch up with you guys next time with our next car. Thanks again for watching.